everyone, welcome to Achievers Academy. Today in this video we will discuss about the versatile nature of carbon. Carbon shows the versatile nature, means carbon is very unique. It shows very special properties. So what are these special properties? These special properties are number 1 catenation and number 2 is tetravalency. First of all, we will discuss about the catenation. The property of carbon element due to which its atom can join one another atom to form a long carbon chains is called catenation. Means the carbon atom can combine with other carbon atoms because it has 4 free valencies. So it can attach with other carbon atoms to form the long chains. Its chain can be long as much as possible, and these chains can be in the form of straight chain. These chains can be in the form of branch chain as well as in the form of ring. So in different forms it forms the compounds either in the straight chain, in the form of a straight chain, branch chain form, or the ring form chain, as well as it may have the single bond, it may have the double bond, and it may have the triple bond also. So it can form 3 types of bonds also, either single bond, double bond, or triple bond. And because of these bonds, these compounds are known as saturated and unsaturated compounds. If they have single bonds, these are called the saturated compounds. If they have double bond or triple bonds, they are called the unsaturated compounds. Compounds having single bonds are stable in nature, whereas double bond are more reactive in nature, or you can say unstable in nature. As far as it is concerned that is there any other element which can show the catenation property? Yes, there is one more element, that is silicon. Silicon is also the element which can show the catenation, but there are limitations with silicon. Only 7 to 8 atoms of silicon can join together to form the compound, and that is why they cannot form the long chains as the carbon can form the long chains. So only carbon is the element which shows the catenation in the form that it can form the very long chains, and the compounds which are formed by carbon are in a huge number. You can say that carbon can form a huge number of compounds due to the nature of catenation, as well as it is having the nature that is tetravalency. Tetravalency, what is meaning of tetravalency? Carbon has a valency of 4. You know that in nucleus, this is the nucleus of carbon. In the first shell it has 2 electrons, in the second shell it has 4 electrons, and that is why we can say that it has a 4 valency. So it is capable of bonding with the 4 other atoms of carbon or the atoms of some other monovalent element. It's not like it can form the elements compounds with the element carbon only. Even it can form the compounds with the atoms of some other monovalent elements also. It can form the compounds with nitrogen, with hydrogen, with chlorine, bromine, oxygen, etc., etc. And if carbon forms the compound with the other elements, then the properties of compounds are more dependent on these elements rather than carbon. So remember always, if carbon forms a compound with other elements, the properties will be shown of those elements more rather than carbon. Secondly, why carbon makes the strong bonds even with these elements? Because you know that the nucleus of carbon, the size of the nucleus is very small. It is having a small size nucleus. So it can hold the other elements also very strongly. So today we have discussed about the very special properties of carbon, that is catenation and tetravalency. I hope the topic is clear to you. We'll meet in the next video with another topic. Thank you.